Why are California wildfire survivors getting $770 from President Biden? Let's break it down. Thousands of lives turned upside down by the California wildfires. Homes destroyed, families displaced. But here's some relief. President Biden has rolled out a $770 one-time payment to help survivors with essentials like food, water, and transportation. Nearly 6,000 people have already signed up, with $5.1 million dispersed so far. The federal government is also ramping up air support. We're talking large air tankers and federal firefighting helicopters to battle these blazes. And there's more. FEMA's got temporary hotel assistance and direct grants for critical needs like medical bills and car repairs. Want to access this aid? Head to disasterassistance.gov or call 1-800-621-3362. It's time to rebuild and recover. Stay informed, stay safe.